Okay, so let's move on to the next section, section 2, Retrieval Augment Generation, RAG. So what exactly is RAG? We talked about RAG in the earlier session in the domain annotation part. Exactly what is RAG? RAG is actually a two-stage pipeline method that you basically index your data set, your own data set, to the vector database, and also once it's indexed with a proper structure and with vectorized information, we introduce that with embedding. Then we retrieve those data from the vector database to LLM so that it can generate content based on your own customer data set. So this is exactly what a basic RAG pipeline is doing. You have a document and you retrieve, you embed it to the vector database. We retrieve that from the LLM into the prompt and it generates a corresponding response. But how to do that exactly? The first one is indexing. It actually consists of like multiple steps. The first one is loading. You need to load this document like code, like PDF files, and so forth to your system. You're gonna split the document based on proper structure and embed such data to the vectors using embedding models, and it will store this vector in a vector database, so I can retrieve data based on that. And so once we have this, we can retrieve data from the database, and then we will search a certain part of the entire corpus to see, okay, here's our question corresponding to your question, and we put it into the prompt and to the LLM and generate corresponding answer. The advantage of that is that it can provide more accuracy to the LLM and provide context to the LLM and reduce hallucination to your AI system, which improve overall quality in general.